In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate your HSBC debit card. Whether you've just received your new card or you need to reactivate an existing one, you'll find that HSBC offers several convenient methods to get your card up and running quickly. Let's explore these options so you can choose the one that suits you best. One of the easiest ways to activate your HSBC debit card is by using the HSBC mobile app. Start by logging into the app with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Manage Cards section. There, you'll see a list of your cards. Simply select your debit card and follow the prompts to activate it. This method is quick and can be done anywhere as long as you have an internet connection, making it incredibly convenient if you're on the go. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can activate your card by calling HSBC's 24/7 hotline. This option is great if you have questions or need assistance during the process. Simply dial the hotline number and follow the automated instructions. Have your card and personal information handy to make the process smoother. Another straightforward method is to visit any HSBC ATM. Insert your card into the machine and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. You will have the option to create or change your PIN during this process, which not only activates your card but also sets up your personal identification number for future transactions. It's an efficient way to ensure your card is ready for use while also securing it with a new PIN. Lastly, you can activate your debit card by making your first PIN-based transaction. This could be as simple as using your card at a store or withdrawing cash from an ATM. Just ensure you use your PIN during the transaction and your card will be activated automatically. And that's it. That's how to activate your HSBC debit card. With these versatile options, you can choose the method that works best for you, whether it's through the convenience of your smartphone, a quick phone call, a trip to the ATM, or making your first transaction. Activating your card is a simple process that ensures you can start using it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and enjoy the ease of banking with HSBC.